In this video, we'll see what is a Fibonacci series and how to write a Python program in Fibonacci series. So before moving on to the coding part, we will have a small introduction on the Fibonacci series. So it is a sequence of integer numbers formed by the addition of preceding two numbers in the series. So let's take an example. Let's say I have number 7 and the Fibonacci series for 7 is 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. Okay, so this is a Fibonacci series for number 7. So as I said, Fibonacci series is a sequence of integer numbers. So from 0 to 8 is a sequence of integer numbers. Okay, so what is the working process of Fibonacci series here? So as I said in the definition, it is formed by the addition of preceding two numbers. Okay, these numbers are formed by the preceding two numbers. These numbers are formed by the addition of preceding two numbers. Okay, preceding means before numbers. Okay, 1 before number is 0. So 1 plus 0, that is 1. Okay, in the same way, 2's preceding number is 1. Okay, 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, now 3's preceding number is 2. 3 plus 2, 5. Okay, so in this way these numbers are added so to get the Fibonacci series. Okay, and one more thing to remember, 0 and 1 are common to all the Fibonacci series. They are present in every Fibonacci series. So 0 and 1 are common, so they are present in all the Fibonacci series. So this is a small introduction on Fibonacci series. So let's move on to the coding part. Previously we have seen the introduction part for Fibonacci series. Now we'll move on to the coding part. So let's start by creating a variable num which takes input, enter a number. Okay, let's convert this input to int. Okay, now the next step is Fibonacci series starts with 0 and 1. Okay, as I said earlier, Fibonacci series starts with 0, 1. Okay, they are the starting points of Fibonacci series. So we have to initialize these 0 and 1 to variables. So let's say n1 comma n2 equal to 0 comma 1. Okay, so the next step is we have to provide sum, which is 0. So sum is where we store all the values. Let's say we will be storing all the Fibonacci numbers inside sum. Okay, so as of now it is initialized with 0. Okay, so the next step is we have to check for a condition where the user enters the number less than 0 or greater than 0. Okay, if the user enters the number less than 0, then it should print a message. Okay, so we'll see that by using the if-else condition. If num less than or equal to 0, print please enter number greater than 0. Okay, so else here inside the else part we have to we will be using the for loop for, and here we'll be using the range function for I in range 0 comma num. Okay, for I in range 0 comma num, and I'll be printing the sum. Okay, whatever the sum I have, I'll be printing it here, comma end space. Okay, now the next step is we have to give n1 equal to n2. Okay, so here what am I doing is n2 value I am allocating to n1. Okay, I'm initializing n2 value to n1. Okay, So n2 equal to sum. Okay. So now here some value will be allocated to n2 or initialized to n2. Okay, some value is initialized to n2. So I am giving the sum value to n2 and n2 value to n1. Okay, so now we have to add sum equal to num1 plus num2. Okay, sorry, n1 plus n2. Okay, so this is our code. So if I run it, F5, it is running here. So it is asking me to enter a number, let's say 7. So see, you can see 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. Okay, that is correct actually. Okay, 0, 1 is 1, 1, 2 is, see, 0, 1 is 1, 1, 1 is 2, 1, 2 is 3, 2, 3 is 5, 5, 3 is 8. Okay, so this is how we can perform Fibonacci series in Python. So let's take another example. Let's say we'll take a different number now. Let's say we'll take 3. Okay, 3 is 0, 1, 1. Okay, so in this way we can perform Fibonacci series in Python. So hope you like this video.